In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage tags in Zoho CRM. If you want a simple way to organize your leads and make them easier to find later, tags are a very useful feature inside Zoho CRM. They let you label records based on categories, priorities, campaigns, or any system that works best for your workflow. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add tags to a lead record in just a few moments. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and make sure you're logged in. Once you're inside the main dashboard, look for the navigation menu and click on Leads. This will take you to the section where all of your lead records are stored. The Leads module is where you can review contact details, track activity, and organize potential customers more effectively. After that, click on the specific lead you want to work with. This opens the full lead record, where you can view all of the information related to that person or company. Before adding tags, it's always a good idea to quickly confirm that you're in the correct record, especially if you manage a large number of leads. When you're inside the lead record, look toward the top area for the edit icon related to tags. In this section, you'll be able to add tags to the lead. Tags are helpful because they make filtering and sorting much easier later on. For example, you might use tags to identify lead sources, sales stages, regions, or follow-up priorities. The exact tags you use should match the way you and your team manage your CRM. Go ahead and enter the tags you want to apply. As you add them, try to keep your naming consistent. That helps avoid confusion and keeps your CRM cleaner over time. For example, using one standard format for similar tags is usually better than creating multiple variations that mean the same thing. Once you're done adding the tags, click Save. This confirms your changes and updates the lead record with the new labels. After saving, the tags should appear on the record, so you can quickly recognize how that lead has been categorized. And that's it. That's how to manage tags in Zoho CRM by opening your account, going to Leads, selecting a specific lead, adding tags from the top section, and saving your changes. It's a quick process, but it can make a big difference in keeping your CRM organized and easier to manage.